Today we have learned about the Olympic game. Through yesterday lesson we know that Olympic is the biggest competition in the world. It is held every 4 years in a host city. My lovely learner have painted flags of various host countries. Now they will present their performance. At first, Abrar will speak.
The fifth Olympic, which held in 1912, was occurred in Stockholm, Sweden.
Thank you. Now come here. Mehrab Shikdar.
The 20th Olympic was held in 1972 at Munich and Germany.
Thank you. Now come here. Mithila.
The 10th Olympic was held in 1932 at Los Angeles, United States.
United States. Now come here. Jerin.
The 19th Olympic was held in 1968 at Mexico City, Mexico.
Okay. Now come here. Masum Billah.
The first Olympic was held.
Held in
In 1896 at Athens, Greece.
Athens, Greece. Now come here. Roja.
The 19th Olympic was held in 1968 at Mexico City, Mexico.
1968. Thank you, Roja. Now come here. Nafisa.
The first Olympic was held in 1896 at Athens, Greece.
Very good. Thank you. Now come here. Tanisha.
The fifth Olympic was held in 1912 at Stockholm, Sweden.
Stockholm, Sweden. Thank you. Now come here. Tamim.
The 8th Olympic was held in 1924 at Paris, France.
Very good. Now come here. Tajuddin.
The
14th.
14th Olympic was held in 1948 at London, United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. Thank you. Now come here. আমাদের নাহিদ.
The 10th Olympic was
Held.
1932 at
Los
Angeles,
United
States.
States. Thank you. Now come here. Sharika.
The 5th Olympic Games was held in 1912 at Stockholm, Sweden.
Very good. Thank you. Now come here. Radhia.
The 12th
Olympic
Olympic
was held
was held in 1972 Munich,
German.
Germany.
Okay, now come here. Jannatul.
The 14th Olympic was held in 1948 at London, United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. Thank you so much, everybody. It's a nice presentation. I'm so proud of you. You try to best in the next time. I hope you can. You are all can. Thank you so much.